I'm Rick Lees, Tech Support Specialist with CADDY Products for Erico. We make a variety of products for mounting low voltage plates to drywall. MPLS, MP1, the MP1P, which just happens to be my favorite. A lot of people don't know how to install it, so let me show you how. First thing you're going to do is pop off the tabs, slide them on a couple clicks to keep them out of your way. Okay, so this is the MP1P we were talking about. The first thing you do, as I mentioned, is break the little tabs off and get them started, just a couple little clicks onto the tabs. Once you get them on there, you have these four little points that you press into the drywall, which you can then use as your template to draw your line and cut out the hole. Remember to cut on the outside of the line. So then what I'm going to do is pop this product in, ratchet it up with my fingers, pull it up tight, and I'm done.